I got my two little munchkins. You can't really see them. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, guys. I have returned. It's always temporary, isn't it? I just have a full-time job. Unless you're like a type A, crazy motivated person, which I am not, you won't see me on here once a week. I'm just saying. But my videos usually, you know, there are a lot of content over a couple months. So if you want to turn the notification bell on, I'll tell you right now, you're not going to get 100 notifications from me posting all the time, but you will be notified when I do post a video. It's usually decor related. So just want to say that if you are interested in my content, you'll see it. I can't promise you when you'll see it, but you'll see it. And today I'm actually going to be showing you guys my office. I've been dying to show you. I've been working in here and I freaking love it. This is very like Stevie Nicks, vintage, like boho vibes. I'm feeling it. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And yeah, stay tuned for my office transformation. You guys, it's time for another room makeover. So today we have our former guest bedroom that I am turning into my office because I want it to join in with my bedroom in the future. We're gonna put French doors in between. That's the goal. But this is the before. Oh, Luna. Making an appearance. But this is the guest bedroom before. It's kind of a disaster. I mean, that light has got to go. It's just very blah. There's nothing going on here. And we just got back from vacation, so there's stuff everywhere. But this is the setup right now. We had John's dresser in here as well. That is sort of a little vanity that I will be taking out of here. Hi! Are you excited? You gonna have your own kitty space? Yeah. So nothing's like really wrong with the room itself. It's kind of small. A lot of the bedrooms in our house are pretty small. But I just like all the natural light that comes in here. So I'm gonna be taking this bed out. I'm gonna try to do it myself today. I have a futon that's gonna go in here. I bought this beautiful bohemian rug. I have a lot of stuff coming from Amazon. I'm gonna be putting a lot of plants in here as well. But just wanted to give you guys an in-depth look beforehand because it is just very like storage room right now. Oh, and then I wanted to show you, I did this yesterday, but I took out, we had like a shelving system, this was part of it. So John put all his clothes in the other, what's going to be the new guest bedroom, which was my old office, and that closet's actually bigger, so that's her cat tree. And then her litter box is also over there. So it's great because it fits perfectly and it's kind of out of the way because the thing is massive. So I might paint inside the closet just to give it some fun decor aspect as well. But that's going to be her little space and she loves it. She was already in there. And as you can see, she loves being on the bed too. But also the goal, I'm going to, hopefully, if I can get them, I'm going to also be installing 2 mini French doors right here. We'll see how that goes because right now I have no idea how to install a door, but I'm gonna give it a try because I really think it would be so pretty to be standing like down the hallway and just be able to see in to the office and just be able to look in, and it's like 2 wooden French doors. I think that would be really pretty. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna order the doors online and we'll see how that goes. This is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, the colors they chose, very questionable. We have some really dark, depressing gray. Makes the room feel kind of creepy. And then this wall is like, what actually is that? You know what I mean? Is it gonna focus? That is actual vomit color, right? When I saw it, I knew it had super potential. All it needed was some paint. And then, what the heck? They just included a Pokemon light switch. God, you guys, the rug and the light fixture just came in. I'm so obsessed. Ugh, I can't wait to put this in the room. And this is the light. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'll be having John hang that up, but oh my God, it's so cute. I can't wait. Like, this aesthetic is gonna be absolutely stunning. And that's the futon that's gonna be going in the room as well. Okay, so this is how far I've gotten with my office. I decided not to paint I think the cream color actually goes pretty well in here. It's not like totally white, but it goes well. I have to move this ladder and all this stuff, but I've had this futon for a while, and it's covered in cat hair because kitty. But I got this rug off of Amazon and I love it. I wasn't sure about the colors. I'm usually not into like the reds and stuff, but I really wanted this room to look kind of vintage. And I've had this futon for a while. I have to clean it, but it's pretty cute. I love how it goes with the theme. And then up here, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this is the light when it's lit up at night. It's really gorgeous. So this is just like the seating area that we're gonna have in here. I'm gonna get new curtains. I was just trying to see how it looked with like the white flowy curtains. And then over here is gonna be like my desk area. I haven't decided yet. I'm probably gonna move this bamboo thing, but I thought it kind of like separated the room a little bit, but I don't think I'm gonna keep that there. I think I'm actually going to take that away. I'm gonna buy a new chair for my desk. I might buy like a little jute rug too for under there because I feel like it needs something, and I do think I'm gonna get rid of that. And then this is the door. It was like blood red when we first moved in. If I can show you, I'll put the clip at the beginning of the video. So far, I'm very, very happy with how it's coming along. I just think it looks really cute, really boho, but she likes it in there. Hi, kitty. Hi, Luna. Are you sleeping? Did I bother you? I'm sorry. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi. Oh, she's a good girl. But yeah, she likes it in here. Actually, there's a little light bulb up there. Look at that, Loon. She's like, what the f? Why are you waking me up? Ooh, I just got my chair in the mail. It's looking really cute. It's like a faux leather. Ooh. Ugh, does anyone else dread setting stuff like this up? I know it's probably really easy. It's not IKEA furniture, but I don't know. Every time I'm like, I'm gonna do something wrong. But it looks really good. I love it with like the mid-century modern futon. But I'm obsessed with this chair. It's gonna be perfect over there. I got that rug on Amazon as well. Oh, hello, star of the show. And I have this desk. I don't really like it, but I don't want to throw it out because it's a perfectly good desk and it does match my file cabinet. So I'm hoping with this in there, it will be a fine vibe. Alrighty, she's all set up. It only took me forever, but it's really cute and it's a swivel chair too. So that's cool. I love it. Look what came today. I'm so excited. This is my French door. Oh, I'm out of breath. I just had to lug that in here. It's really heavy. But those are my French doors that I'm gonna put right there. It's actually one door and it's one of those ones that folds, but I'm gonna separate it and make it into French doors. And I am gonna stain them, but I have John's help right now, so I'm gonna have him help me hang them and then I'll stain them afterwards later this week. But I'm just so excited to have new doors. Goodbye, ugly door. See you never. All right, so what we're doing now is we separated these two doors. They came hinged together, but we actually just took the hinges off and then put new ones on so we can have French doors instead. So we're doing that right now. We've never hung a door, so it's kind of a struggle. All right, so we got one door up and it looks awesome. Look at, he was just staring at us. And I still need to remove the film off of them and I'm gonna stain them, but like I said, I knew this was gonna take the longest, so basically there was no door over here, so we just tried to put it up and it's gonna be a little too close together, so we have to notch out that. Well, John has to notch it out. I don't know how to do that, but he's just gonna cut out like a little bit, skim a little of the wood off so it's flush so that they'll fit together. Ooh, baby. Now I have to go through the process of ripping all of this plastic off. A razor on the edges, because otherwise this is gonna be tough. Okay, so think back to what this office looks like before. And we're gonna get a glimpse through these beautiful French doors. But look at the inside of my office now, you guys. Let's push them open. So this is my made-over office. I am so happy with how it came out. It's definitely my new hangout spot. I never used to spend time in my office, and now I spend like all my time in here when I'm working on my earring business, or just, you know, my regular 9 to 5. And that's kind of what all that is. That's supplies. That's what that pasta machine is for. And here are a pair that I actually just made. These ones are my personal ones. Is this gonna focus? These ones are ones I just made as like an experiment, but I might make a bunch more, and once I perfect them, I might start selling those ones. But yeah, so this is just my little work office. I know that wall looks a little blank, but I am hanging up a pegboard. I just have to figure out how to do so. I realized I can't hang it flat on the wall, so if you have any tips for hanging a pegboard, let me know. But yeah, this is the little office space that I have. I have my printer there. I have my supplies for jewelry behind my desk. It's kind of cluttered, but there's really no other way to do it. I might end up getting a better storage, but I just had that. So that's what that looks like. We'll back up a little bit so you can get the full vibe. So that's what that looks like. I love the chair. I think I got that on overstock.com. I got those pictures from Hobby Lobby. I had the desk. I was so happy I was able to use it and sort of make it flow with the room. And then the rug is from Amazon. A lot of the stuff in my home and office is just from Amazon. I love their fast shipping. Curtains from Amazon, rug from Amazon, futon from Amazon. So I will link everything in the description where I got it. I'm just really into the fast shipping on Amazon, if you can't tell. But this rug is beautiful. I highly recommend going with like a funky rug like this. At first I was like, I don't know if I have like the style to pull that off, because I'm really not into like reds, but it just goes so well with like the green and the curtains. In my opinion, I think the vibe is immaculate in here. John's guitar and his amp. I'm actually going to hang up his guitar with like a wooden guitar hanger in here eventually. I did buy him one, but I'm scared to hang that myself, so I'm going to need his help. But yeah, I'm loving the vibes in here. The light, probably one of my favorite features of the room. It's a wooden beaded chandelier. Gorgeous. This is Luna's little hangout spot in here. I think that came out great. I put that room divider in there for a little backdrop. Just her little clubhouse if she wants to hang out. It gets that massive cat tree out of the way, so that's helpful. Plant, don't know how that's still alive because I probably water that thing like maybe once a month. Probably could use some water, that just reminds me. These are all my other plants, so I got this on Etsy actually. It's doing great. I don't remember the name. Those I propagated from a neighbor's plant, actually. They were like overgrown and I picked one off and it's already like sprouted like a bunch more. Oh, that's coleus leaf, just didn't make it. This one I also got from Etsy. The plant guy was so cool and it's growing so long. It's like a Swiss cheese plant, I think it's called. Love it. Love getting plants off Etsy. This one I had in our bedroom, completely forgot about it, and it looks like it's dying, but it's actually getting better since I moved it in here with the other plants that I water. So this is a pothos. I propagated this one, that's why it's like one strand. This one I got off Etsy. Beautiful, I love that plant. It's like I forget what it's called. Something pearls, like a chain of pearls or something. Don't ask. I'm not really a green thumb, if you can't tell. Like, what the hell did I do over here? Again, forgot about that one in a different room. Now she's surviving, kind of. I just have to take those leaves off. Another one I propagated. So kind of a green thumb, kind of not, if you get my drift. So let me close these French doors and show you guys what they look like from far away, because they're freaking awesome. So here we are, sitting down. These French doors are just chef's kiss. I still have to add like little knobs, because right now they're just like push doors, and I have to add a door stopper, but like these changed the freaking game for my office. It's just, it looks so professional, or I don't know what it looks like. It looks just so like cool. I just love French doors. I love a mini French door. The only shitty part about these doors are the hinge part did not have, right here, was not chiseled in. So they like wouldn't close at first and we had to like notch it out. But we just bought a pretty inexpensive chisel from like Amazon or Home Depot, and John just chiseled it out. He said it didn't take long. I want to say like all 4 hinges took him a half an hour, but we didn't know what to do when they weren't fitting. Like at first we just screwed them on to the door, but like doors are meant to be fitted properly, so we had to chisel out the like places where the hinges went. After that though, they looked beautiful. They were like a plain wood, and that's the pegboard that I'm going to put in here. But they were like a plain wood, and I stained it with early American stain. And I just love how it came out. I think they look so pretty. And again, these doors were not 2 separate French doors. When I bought them, they were one, and I just separated it. I saw that other people had done that on the website that I bought them. So I was like, why wouldn't I do that? They're gorge. So super happy with that. I just think they look really pretty. If I can show you, I'll show you like how the doors look from down the hall. I have a bunch of shit in my hallway, but I have been such a hot mess on YouTube for years. I don't think anyone's gonna care. So just like from here, that's how it looks. It just looks so nice in my opinion. I just think it looks so pretty, just like being able to see down the hall into my office. I absolutely love it. Just stunning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm sorry I haven't been posting too much, but when I do like a room like this, it collectively takes me a couple months. So I hope you do enjoy when I do put out room makeovers. I have some other plans, like bigger plans that I want to do, either like convert a school bus or build like a little A-frame in my backyard. So let me know what you guys would be more interested in me doing. Either like converting like a van school bus or like building like a she shed in my backyard. So those are 2 options I've been really considering. Let me know what you guys would be more interested in. Again, hope you enjoyed my little office tour, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!